Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the basic physics concept. The most importantly, Ampere's circular law is the most basic concept of the physics. That means Ampere's circular law have lots of application. By using this we can able to solve lots of problems also. So there is the first we are going to describe the statement of the Ampere's circular law. After that we are going to derive the equation for this. Okay. So it is stated as the closed line integral of magnetic field around a current carrying conductor is equal to absolute permeability times the total current threading the conductor. That means Ampere circular law consists of the B means magnetic field. After that dl is the line integral and it is the closed line integral is equal to mu 0 I. In this equation mu 0 is equal to permeability of the free space and I is equal to our total current. Okay, so how this equation comes in our how this equation is how this equation comes. So we are able to derive this equation by which formula, by which method we are able to describe it. This is the this is the derivation of the Ampere's law, how this Ampere's law is going to be derived. So in this Ampere's law, from the Biot-Savart law, the magnetic field due to the long straight wire, this is the consider this is the long straight wire. Okay, B bar is the magnetic field and dl is the length. Okay, so we are able to say that B bar and dl have the same direction. Okay, and this total current I is flowing through the wire in the direction of the upper side. Okay, so we are able to see that B is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. 2 pi is the area of the 2 pi is the area of the circle, r is the radius, 2 pi r total area, and mu 0 I, mu 0 is the permeability of the free space, and I is the total current flowing through the wire. So we can say that B bar and dl are in the same direction. So B dot dl is equal to the dot product of the B bar and dl is equal to B dl cos 0. They are in the same direction, therefore B dl cos 0. We all know that cos 0 having the value is equal to 1. So cos 0 is 1. So we are able to get the equation B dl. Therefore closed integral of the line integral of the B bar dot dl is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. Okay, and then is the closed integral of the dl. Why dl? Because dl is our main length. Okay, so after that B dl is equal to mu 0 I upon 2 pi r. So 2 pi r get cancelled by taking the integration. 2 pi r get cancelled and we are able to get the formula B closed integral of B dl is equal to mu 0 I. So we can completely say like that closed line integral of the dl is equal to 2 pi r, and we get the formula that is closed line integral of the B bar dot dl is equal to mu 0 I. That is our Ampere circular law. So in this total formula, B bar is the magnetic field, dl is the length, and mu 0 is the permeability of the free space, and I is the current. So most important term is B bar, that is the magnetic field. So and then you are able to understand that how this formula comes. This is come from the Ampere's law. This Ampere circular law is come from the Biot-Savart law and by the simple derivative. So we are able to understand that the closed line integral of the magnetic field into dl, that is the length, is equal to mu 0 I. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much.